Welcome back to Pink's Garage. Pink here. Hope everybody's been doing okay. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscriber counter numbers up because until you hit 1,000 minimum, there's not a lot you can do. If you could go ahead and hit the like icon and the bell icon to be notified of new videos, I'd appreciate it. But now on to the content. Today we're doing a little work on my truck. Nothing hard, just going to fix my tailgate because the little plastic rod lock clips decided they wanted to break on me and I couldn't get my tailgate open the other day. So we're going to replace those now along with the new bezel because the old one broke when I was taking it off. So let's get on to that, and I'll see you after the install's done. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of all this old foam tape they use on it, so that I can adhere the new one when I put the new one on. It's all kinds of fun work. So I'm going to do this with my fingers to get it off, and then after that we're going to use a little Goo Gone to clean it up, and then we'll be back. So we've got all the stuff off. Now we're going to install the new parts. Let's see what we got here. First of all, we've got a couple of things we got to install. We got our rod lock clips, which we're going to put into the latch first, and then we'll install the rods in them. I'll show you how that's done, but I think first things first, I need to put the handle back in because as you've seen, it's not there. So here we have simple little piece of equipment we need to reinstall. So when you're doing this, you have to remember that there are two different ones, one left and one right. You need to make sure you put the right one on the right side and the left one on the left side. And it's pretty simple to tell. If you look at it, you see where the tab goes in the hole. Well, you look and see when it's in the hole, which side is this pointing to. And that'll tell you whether it goes on the right side or the left side. So pretty simple. So let's get back to it. There's three little things dangling down in here, and that's where these go. Push it into the hole until it pops in, and you do the same with the other side. The originals were red and green like port and starboard. The new ones are white and black, like, you know, white and black. I don't factory versus aftermarket, I guess. This one doesn't want to go in as easy. So if I can't get this one in, I'll grab the original and put it back in because on that side it wasn't broken yet. So now that that's done, what you got to do is you got to take these rods here and put them in the holes. I'm not trying to show a camera what I'm doing. Once you have it in there, what you've got to do is try and flip this up on the rod so it locks the rod in place. Now, I'm going to have to pry it out a little bit. may need to get a screwdriver in here to help pry that out. So I'm gonna get the other one hooked up first and see how hard this one's gonna be too. So it looks like we're gonna have to pry these out. So I'm gonna use a little screwdriver to try and pry it out while I'm installing it. Be careful so not to break it, because then I'll be right back where I started from. And that would be no good. That one's in. Pretty simple. Now let's do this one. Now we get the other one. Make sure the rod's all the way in. Pry out just a little bit and done. And voila! We have a working tailgate. Not to be outdone, to finish that off correctly, I did have the old surround and it snapped. So I figured I'd just buy a new one. Lo and behold, O'Reilly's had one too. Pretty cheap. So all you've got on here is you've got those two foam pieces. And you remove the backing from them. I guess it slides in like that and it snaps in on the top. Had I known when I started that I was not going to need to take the handle out, I never would have removed the handle, but I didn't know that, and so I removed it, then realized that I didn't need to. But no harm, no foul. It won't hurt anything. It's back in. It's back where it's supposed to be. Now that we've got that off, we're going to place these two down in the bottom holes. Lined up. Snap the top in, and I'm gonna hold this for a minute to let the adhesive try and firm up. But I don't think this one fits quite as well as the OEM did. I think it needs a little bit more of the foam, but it works. We have a working tailgate. I'm happy. So I'll be right back. Fairly simple install on the truck. Wasn't hard at all. I enjoy those kind of installs. I wish they would all be that way. The next install I'm going to be doing is going to be a little bit more complicated with the long tube headers on a 2016 Mustang. From what I've seen in all the videos, it's not easy. It's not going to be fun, but I'm going to enjoy it when it's done. So stay tuned for that one. It'll be coming up here in the future, and I hope you enjoyed this little video, and hope to see you here again. It's been Pink with Pink's Garage. Keep those motors running.